airing soon on Mystic Vibes.
My name is Randolph Coleman. Today, Mystic Vibe is going to feature the Jamaican author of the book, Reggae Roadblocks, a music business development perspective. Lloyd Stanbury, a pioneer in the field of entertainment law, and who received the Order of Distinction from Jamaica in 2017 in recognition for his outstanding service to the country. Mr. Stanbury has long demonstrated his expertise in a wide range of cultural industries, including media and artist management, music and event promotion, and much, much more. Reggae Roadblocks. What made you feel that you needed to write that book?
Reggae Roadblocks basically represents, my observation.
Okay.
Having worked, for a few decades, maybe 30 years or more, representing persons in the reggae music business, primarily from Jamaica.
Yeah.
And seeing how they interacted with, the international marketplace. And I tried to use the book to recount some of the challenges that I saw facing persons operating in the business of reggae. As obstacles have been self-inflicted obstacles.
Okay.
Due to our own lack of professionalism, as well as there are obstacles that have been imposed on persons in Jamaica. This is not of their own doing.
Yeah.
Because of the message that reggae music traditionally represented. There are persons who don't want to see that message go forward.
Right.
Yeah.